There was a shooting at Bell Tower.
They said you leave the parking lot going towards jail.
A family gunned down at a Lee County mall.
It was round after round after round.
Whoever killed a man and his stepson has still not been caught. Loved ones are heartbroken.
We were all just devastated.
What my friends and I experienced last night was nothing short of a miracle.
A community left wondering where it's safe and where it's not.
It makes us rethink of how we can always improve.
We have to live in fear every single day.
It's been more than 24 hours since the deadly shooting at the Bell Tower shops. Detectives continue investigating, but so far no one has been arrested.
56-year-old Kevin Robinson and 22-year-old Javarcia Riggins lost their lives in the shopping plaza's parking lot. 2 others were hurt, and the killer is still on the loose.
NBC2's Nestor Montoya spoke to shoppers today. He is live close to where those shots were fired.
Well, the crime scene tape is down. Deputies have left the scene, and the shops at Bell Tower are back open for business. But despite all of this, there's still tremendous heartbreak and a looming concern among people who worry this killer still hasn't been put in cuffs.
2 people killed and 2 others wounded after shots are fired at the Bell Tower shops.
You just feel nothing but compassion for the families of the victims.
That shouldn't even have happened in the first place.
The investigation continues, but the shooting's aftershock makes many shoppers anxious.
We're the ones that are patroning these places, and we should be able to feel safe when we go there. I'm more scared now than I was back then.
Especially since the killer hasn't been caught.
The fact that they're still on the loose is it's devastating.
Safety is now a looming concern for some.
You could go any place. You could go to the mall again and have something like this happen. It's terrifying.
We have to live in fear every single day.
Despite noticeable security in place at the Bell Tower shops.
They have been doing a lot of police security over there. There'd be like 1 or 2 squad cars over there that'd be watching it now on Fridays and Saturdays.
While tragic, others say they won't let the shooting interrupt their routine.
You can't let that guide your life. You can't let that make you stop living or stop going out or stop, going to the Bell Tower.
And the Bell Tower shops tells us their thoughts and heartfelt sympathies are with all of those affected by this tragedy. I asked them how they plan to address security moving forward, but they declined to disclose any details. I'm live in Lee County tonight. Nestor Montoya, NBC.